Hey YouTube, I'm out today going for a walk in the woods and decided I wanted to stop and make some lunch. We got a whole bunch of snow, everything's wet, so I wanted to see if I could get a fire going, make something hot to drink maybe, and make some lunch. So if you like what I'm doing, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna keep cleaning some snow out here and see if I can get a fire started. So I got a ferro rod today and a lighter that won't work because it's about 10 degrees. So we're gonna keep kicking snow and hopefully get it cleared out so I can make some lunch and have a fire, get toasty. Alrighty, I gotta find some stuff. I'll be right back. Alright, YouTube, I got a little small base. I'm gonna try and do this. I was gonna try and do it without fire starter, but I have some fire starters with me. Just a little bit of. I usually use striker fires. I don't even know if they'll take a spark from a ferro rod. We're gonna see. Maybe I should just try and get this grass as the light. Go from there. I can always light the fire starter off the grasses. I see flame. Come on, light, light. Almost. It's been a while since I've actually used the ferro rod. We got fire. Come on, baby. Okay, I got the striker fire lit. Come on, baby, light my fire. I don't know if you guys can see. Should be good to go. Just don't smother it now. That's one mistake I always used to make with fires, is I'd try and add too much to it too much too soon. I would burn it out. It's wet like this, just gotta let everything breathe. Adding little sticks. Oh, that fire feels good. I actually didn't realize how chilly it was. Always great when you can get something to go according to plan. You know, I usually try to make sure I got something to start a fire, but it's been so long since I used the ferro rod, I was like, oh boy. And I just keep adding more. Luckily, I've got enough deadfall around here. All the trees are dying. This is one of the only places I could find that didn't have any widowmakers, believe it or not. Oh, that's awesome. Alright, I'm going to keep feeding this for a while, get it going, make sure I don't lose it. And I guess I can just leave you guys watching. You can keep an eye on it for me, right? But I gotta run around and find some more wood. So, step number 1, make a fire, give me a like. Step number 2, I gotta find some more wood and make something for lunch. Make something to drink anyways. It's cold out here, so I'll bring you back. Use my little Canteen Kit today. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. Maybe I'll put a link in the description. But apparently I gotta wash the dishes first. Wishy washa washa. Alrighty. Whew. Then I fit this canteen cup. It doesn't like to fall over, which is like great. $16 ounces. That's more than that. No, that's right. I need my lid. I think it's 16 ounces. I don't have anything fancy for lunch today. Just trying to get a little warmed up, that's all. Looks like I need some more wood already. Spread it out to get the cup going, and I almost smothered my fire. Ugh. All kinds of wood here. Let's see, yeah, you're still going. So basically now what I do is keep building a fire up around it. Fire burn, warm your fingers. If you guys like the videos, like and subscribe, comment, anything you want me to try and do, that'd be great. Sometimes I hit a roadblock on what kind of video do I make. Alrighty, but let's see if we're boiling yet. It's getting warm. Ain't boiling, but it's definitely getting warmer. Oh, almost forgot to tell you, we are having the ever popular ramen noodles for lunch. Nice and light, easy to carry, warms you up, cheap as dirt. Every college kid's survival food. I know I eat a lot of them, but I guess I'll bring it back when the water starts to boil or something. But I'm just gonna sit here nice and toasty, enjoy the fire, and get ready to make my poor man's lunch, I guess. I don't know, but bring it back. All right, YouTube. Kind of got to hold it on here though, but we are officially boiling. Hope you can see that. Ah, that's getting hot. Cook my finger. So we're gonna set this right here for a second. Bust up these ramen noodles a smidge. I know some people tell you do this way, do that way, do. It's noodles. I try not to overthink too much. You can see, yeah. Oops. Put the noodles in. Put your foot. Get your little delicious packet. Of course, it didn't open right. There we go. Tear another section. Put that in there. Okay. Of course, I dropped my lid into the ash and soot and all that good stuff. Put the lid back on. Just work for a second. We gotta stir and oops, get a pre-snack, I guess, huh? Why are ramen noodles so good? But I keep having to go find smaller sticks because these big ones are so wet they won't burn. But it's big enough fire I can make some lunch. Get toasty a little bit. Got some drier wood here, so should be in business. Put that on there. The one thing I like about this canteen cup is it has these D-rings on here, right here. Lift it up. The stick doesn't fit through both of them. I can make it fit real quick. Hold on. Get my knife. Let's see. Shave this down real quick. Now the stick can slide under both them D-rings and under the lip of the cup, basically. Instead of roasting marshmallows, we're roasting soup. So, nice, the fire's going now. Let's see if I can get that on there. Shouldn't be long now until we got ramen noodles to eat. Got something tasty and warm. One thing about cooking it on a stick is you can actually feel the water boiling. So if you feel it boiling, you say, yeah, that cooled off, it's not boiling, you can move it around the fire. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. Makes me feel good if I can help somebody out or even make somebody feel better for the day. Alright, YouTube, the ramen noodles, good to go. If you don't like ramen noodles, I don't know who you are. I'm sure there's people that don't like them. Oh well, if you don't like ramen noodles and you want to see me cook something else, let me know. I'm willing to try anything. I like all kinds of weird food. Frog legs, escargot, squirrel, all of it. So, I like weird stuff. If it's food, I'm willing to try it. Unless it's something like that pufferfish thing that kills you if you cook it wrong or whatever. Yep. Cold day. Something simple to eat. That's good stuff. I don't know why, but food always tastes better in the woods. The more time I spend in the woods, the better I feel and better stuff tastes and everything works out better, seems like. No, I'm happier in the woods. Probably because I'm not on all the headaches and stuff for everyday work life. And I'm thinking about doing a overnight in a section of the property I own, like do like a camp out overnight. I have a hot tent I want to do, and I even thought about just doing it with my tarp or something, even just a regular tent. But it's supposed to go up to 45 here the next couple days. It's like the hottest it's been in a long time. One thing I will say, if anybody does any kind of outdoor cooking, bushcraft cooking, fire cooking, backpacking, get a long-handled whatever, a fork, a spoon. I have a spork, then I can kind of do both, stabby stab and scoop juice. I heard something flying, like turkey or something. But you see how long it goes into the cup. So if you had the short one, my fingers would be down here. As hot as everything gets cooking on a fire, you need the long one. I tend to cook on fires more than pots. There's something about making a fire and cooking on it. It just makes me feel good. So, I'm going to let you guys go. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe, comment. Anything helps. I have an Instagram page. I got to start linking in all my videos. But till next time, everybody enjoy yourself. Get out in the woods, do something fun outside. And I'll see you later. Thanks for watching.